To ensure your pool is always performing at its best, the first step is water balance. Water balance is how we manage all the chemical levels in the pool to ensure that they're in our ideal ranges via pH, alkalinity and calcium hardness. Why do we want to achieve this? For 4 primary reasons. Firstly, healthy water. We want the water to be able to kill bacteria. To kill bacteria, making sure people don't get sick. Second reason is for inviting. We want the water to look inviting, so you want to get in it. Thirdly, comfort. We want the water to be comfortable so you're not swimming with itchy eyes or itchy skin. And fourthly, we want to protect the pool as well. Without water balance, the water can become corrosive or scale forming, causing damage to the overall system. How we measure water balance to start with? We take a test. It's important to get your water tested regularly. If you've got a water sample and a water sample bottle, we recommend you take your water to a BioGuard approved retailer at least once a month for a thorough water test. Alternatively, you can test your water at home with a 6-in-1 test kit or some test strips. We recommend you do these tests at least weekly. When we're doing these tests, we're looking for measuring the parameters of chemistry in the water, and that means measuring the pH, the alkalinity, and calcium hardness. This is all to ensure we maintain good water balance. These are the key water balancing products we have within the BioGuard range. One of the things we test in water balance is pH. pH is a measurement of how acidic the water is. It's measured on a scale from 0 being very acidic to 14 being very basic. 7 being neutral and in the middle. For comfort reasons, we aim at a range of about 7.4 to 7.6. If you do a water test and you find that your pH is low, you can increase it with a product called Balance Pack 200. If you find that the pH is too high, you can reduce it with either a liquid pool acid or low and slow. Arguably, pH is one of the most important factors that we have to manage within our water balance, and as such, we should protect it. How we protect it is with alkalinity. Alkalinity is a mineral we add to the water that will sacrifice itself before the pH gets changed. The pH gets changed by almost everything that interacts with our pool, so we need to protect our pH. The product we use to increase our alkalinity in the water, if it is too low on our water test, is Balance Pack 100. If we need to reduce that alkalinity within the water, we again use a liquid acid or low and slow to reduce that alkalinity in the water. Finally, what we also have to manage within our water balance is calcium. Calcium is present in all our water and will be present in all water systems. If you have too much, you risk scaling. If you have too little, then you risk corrosion to your pool metal fittings and your concrete surfaces such as the grout where the tiles are. To increase our calcium in the water, we use a product called Balance Pack 300. To reduce the calcium, all we can actually do is either manage that with a scale inhibitor or reduce our water level and replace it with fresh water. So we've talked about water balance. Water balance is how we get the water chemistry and the levels of those chemistries to the ideal ranges via pH, alkalinity and calcium hardness. Now we've got the water in the right balance, we need to keep it there. And that's what we call water maintenance.